Hey Hustlers, want to make some money online? Let me show you how ChatGPT can help you uh, make money fast and scale your income. Number one, you can use ChatGPT to freelance. You can use it for freelance writing and content creation. In content creation, I mean from script to the video itself. And there are some things when you are doing content on YouTube, things like description. If you are not good, if you don't know, if you're just a beginner and you are trying to make content on YouTube, I would advise you to use ChatGPT. It will help you write, give you the perfect title, very punchy, eye-catching, with the highest SEO. ChatGPT will help you with that, with the title, description, tags, hashtags, with the keywords, and even setting up a YouTube channel. It will help you. Just decide the niche and pick a niche. Do some research with the ChatGPT and decide. It will help you to create even a 30-day content. It will schedule. Even if you are going for the 9-5 job, this is something that you can do. Let us not lie to ourselves. This is something that you can do even with your 9-5 job. Alright? And number two is you need to or you can create AI graphics and videos. And I think most of you have seen these cartoon videos, these cartoon things on TikTok and everywhere, Instagram, and some of them are even here on YouTube. I think you've seen this. These are just graphics. People who they write scripts using this ChatGPT, and they use it like faceless. Use an AI platform where you can produce videos for free. Another one is Pictory AI that you can use to. But even with that, when you talk of graphics, you can create things like thumbnails and still sell, which is the easiest. I know make content might be harder for some of us, but with the graphics like thumbnails, you can just create and sell them on Canva AI. We have a Midjourney and we have Runway. Okay, and what you have to know is that business will pay for eye-catching content, and you can deliver that in a minute. But it's just simply creating time. 1 hour, 30 minutes, 20 minutes of your day, create something. Number three is AI chatbots and automation. So set up AI chatbot for WhatsApp, websites, or Facebook, and when you provide these services to the businesses that love the customer automated support, and you can sell these services locally or globally. So when you sell these, you target companies which are still employing people based on the 9-5 job or 8-4 job or whatever. So provided the half of the day they're not in, that's when you can chip in. If the business is doing fine and you sell them these are 90, like I think you've seen these these paygo companies. I don't want to be specific, but these paygo companies, you find sometimes they have some automated systems. Kwa wale mnalipa pikipiki mnaelewa hii sana. And for those who are still paying for solar or any other material, simu sana, these people, they have some automated systems. These automated systems, they didn't come from heaven. They're just here. It is you to take your time, and you don't need a degree to do this, and you don't need an experience, even with your broken English. I'm not sure if mine is okay still, but at least we are getting along. So even with your broken English, you can just type. And I want you to test this today. And ChatGPT is ChatGPT, is it 5? 25? ChatGPT 5, something of the sort. It is, you don't even need to subscribe. You see, the minimum amount you can use is 745, right? 745, that's the minimum they require. This ChatGPT, but you can still use it for free and create all these things that I'm telling you. Try and escalate your financial stability. And number 4 is to create online courses. And this is the most interesting part, because I think for those who fear camera and let's say the introverts, wale mama indoors, you can make millions here because you have your phone, you only need an internet, and nowadays the Wi-Fi is cheap. Kuna zile hata zinalipwa 3,000 shillings a month. Get yourself a Wi-Fi, you have the smartphone or a laptop, then it's okay, continue. And after you created these courses or quizzes or any other learning material, here are the platforms to sell your product. Go to Udemy, sign up, put your products, charge amount that is affordable, and it goes the rate, or let me say just charge your time. Yes, just charge your time. And go to Teachable, put your courses there, or whatever the thing you've created, charge your time. WhatsApp groups and whatever, charge your time. You'll get students. People really need to make money out here. They just can't come to light. And now, for hustlers in 2026, this is an AI making money here. And I would love you to take this opportunity here. Pick a tool and start small, scale fast, and earn smarter, not harder. Remember, if earning harder was a better option, remember your donkey back at home.